So this is Lisa. Wanted to show everyone how to use Google Video Call. I have Amber here waiting to do the call with me to show as an example. And as you can see, it's very easy to invite someone who is in your Google contact that has a Google account. I'm making it a full screen so you can see it. It's ringing her now. And here comes Amber. There she is. Hi, Amber.
Hi.
Thank you. I wanted to share with everyone how to use this Google Hangout to do video conference calls or family meetings and gatherings. Letting everyone know they can do 10 people on the call. And I am going to show how to do screen share. So if you could just let us know that it is working. I'm going to share my screen. You do have to click this, just so everyone knows when you see that entire screen, you have to click it and see the blue and hit share. And then I am going to go to, there's my email, and I have a Twitter feed up right now. Do you see that, Amber, the Twitter feed?
I do.
Great. Awesome. So that's how you can share things with everyone on your screen. And I'm going to just do, like, this is a little PowerPoint for those that do presentations and, need to show different things. It shows everything right there on the screen. I can do the slideshow. And that can all be done right through Google. So when you're ready to stop, you just hit stop sharing. And I'm going to escape out of this, click out of here, and go right back into where I see Amber. Did you see everything that I was showing?
I saw everything.
Great. Thank you, Amber. This is, I think it's going to be helpful for a lot of people. So I appreciate you taking the time to be my example today.
No problem. You're welcome.
All right. Take care.
Bye.
And then to end it, she left the call. That's it. We are done. I hope this has been a helpful video for you today. Any questions, please contact me.